Friday clock just hit 5. Shake the week off, feel alive. Jeans ripped at the knee, lipstick stains on whiskey. Neon lights through Uber glass, laughing at our working class. Monday's problems fade to gray, weekend vibes won't obey.
Good morning, guys. Today, Kolsay Lake lang kami sa morning. And then, balik na kami sa city. Ngayon, gabi kitaas na sa aman yun. Hello. There's car coming, okay? My love, wait for us, please. To the side of... Ako horse, dila ka magi. So wala na naman siya na record, guys.
That's why ang naga-DJI always, is it recording?
Yeah.
Wait, is it recording?
Nakapoy na ko sa uwaka lang akong tingog, wala na. Tapos only to find out na wala siya galiga record. Manuling mura to. So again, it's our third day in Kazakhstan. And this is my voice after 3 days. Pero actually, before pa lang ko yung maghalin sa Dubai, medyo natrangkaso na ko. Hindi man trangkaso, duga sakit na nga ako nga tunlan. So, still, lumalaban ng lola. Hi! Nga to nga, full force outfit ni Mega. So, may pa-headdress. May pakalo.
Headdress?
Oo.
You're losing your voice very fast.
Yes, love. Hey,
Like how I
Dad.
almost lost all my voice in school.
Say, third day in Kazakhstan. So, we are on our way to the Kolsay Lake and we're just walking. Actually, we were initially offered to ride the horse. Again. But we have already done it yesterday. Actually, kada sakay mo sa horse, papayad ka. I'm not sure kung same price as yesterday. Yeah, third day pala. Ubus na kwarta naman sa mga activity nga gina-try namon. Tutag 10,000 per head ang back and forth 10,000 per head ang tawag sini balikan per person. Pero do ka worth it to siya sa kagapon kay medyo lawig to siya kaglayo. Are sa Kolsay Lake, we suggest nga kung okay lang makamu sa lakat, then go ahead sa lakat. Pero kung wala pa ka try isang horseback, you can also try it here. Kaya do mas ano siya, I would say, manageable siya. Like yesterday nga do ka, it's a bit challenging kay ara siya sa kilid. Ano gani? Kilid, cliff, balahaw. So do may mga ara, fear nga. Move on the side, brother. Ang drama ni Lola. Do tayo lamon video kay, actually kapag nanyapot, gambal man sila, guruway ka na tingog, pero ang baba mo doon, hindi maguntat. Hindi, kapani pa. Wala ka na tingog. Tapos, hindi na pa natin ko na. Yeah, this is third day of our Kazakhstan YouTubing. This is what a YouTuber demands, and I deliver. Ay, ala guys. Hindi pa siya fully frozen. May water pa siya, thankfully. Yeah. Unlike yesterday, sa katuan namon, ang tugay katuan ng lake gani gapon.
Candy.
Ang sa Candy Lake, amo to siyang katuan namon nga nag-horseback kami. Nang frozen, nagit siya completely frozen. Namin man siya gapon. But this one, may water pa. I'll show you. Okay, so they also have a coffee shop here. Amo ning coffee shop nga namin niya. Okay. Look. It's amazing. Let me show you. Yeah. It's huge. Ay, careful, love. It's done looking the scene. Oh.
They don't lean so much.
Sa inyo mga background noise, pati naman ako paano ka, praning ko yung ako ni Otto ding.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, they have a coffee shop there, this one.
Ang hambal pa namon, it's okay ang gaton nga last day nga do ka chill lang kay kalapit lang sa lake tapos ang ending gali.
Long way to go.
How many steps is this?
500.
Imo count isipon ta karon, can you see that around?
You can see part in the front. Ay, hindi gani YouTube nila. Hindi mo na lang daan. Wala sila.
What? The front
Ang
part?
front na part, medyo frozen na. Pero hindi to, hindi pa.
Ah, okay. So, as you can see, frozen na ni siya nga part, oh. Pero, dito sa onhan, may water pa. Gapa ano pa siya, getting there. Manog frozen na siya. Ay, oga walk sila, oh. Basta yung coffee shop, patos dalo. So, we will go there, guys, from... Hi! Explain! Ay.
Frozen.
Yeah.
It's a little part.
As you can see, ganito may mga area pa nang mga stripes na bala water pa na siya nga gapakadto pa lang there. Gapa frozen pa lang ang drama. Tapos diri kami ma-walk karon oh. From there all the way down. Lakto na nimo. Pakadto to. Kita mo ng trail na oh. Sa mo pa ng siling namon nga ay do kataway sa aton last day kay kalapit lang. Kalapit lang ko nung ambal namon. Tulang ka na to. Ang to na there. Amo na to ang kundi nagpark ang amon nga service. Ang amon nga driver is very buot, patient and buot, pero very very serious and quiet. Kaya hindi kami magsidyanay. Gudugay lang kami ka-translate. Damo kami mga pamangkot, pero ginano na lang namon sa amon nga self. Kami na lang matomato. Pero kabuot. Tapos, yes. Hi, baby Aiden. Sun, oh. Ay. Hey, Mr. Sun. Is it showing? Is it showing? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Time to go. Whereabouts? No, we're.
What's your step, Lapa?
Yeah.
Hindi pa kadaan even. Ano yung mga steps?
YouTuber, ni man? Again, it's not recording. Grabe ka namin, di. Grabe, this is literally one of the reasons why Aiden and I really love to travel as much as we can. Okay? It really gives a different feeling, gid ya. Grabe guys. Ang kanami-nami gid ya. Oh my gosh. Makapahambal kagit. So far, mga nakatuan namon. Ang mga nakatuan namon diri sa Almaty are really, really, really pretty. Dumampal ka ba lang Papa, thank you Lord kagid ya. And really, really, we are so thankful nga nakakagto kami diri kay it's not like a normal trip, you know, that you come and then you stop and then you take your photo. But this one, it's something that is very special because you really have to walk. You really have to go and see places to see and really appreciate how beautiful and how wonderful the place is. So it's something that grabe ginahingal ko guys. It's something. Aiden, just wait for mom please. My gosh, Here, oh. Oh, dira, oh.
Tutumba.
Dapat galing inala ko ang mga stand. Ay, di na ako ng isa ka glass. Sa edad pa karoon. Edad mo nga ka edad. Oh my God.
No, don't.
I think ginatag ko sa mga photos. I think it's sure. So, put that on the can you like that? Basta ba pa?
Hello.
Tell them.
Okay, so we have now reached, I think we're halfway here. And look at this. It's almost all frozen.
Okay. Careful, okay? Oh, stay there, baby. I'll take a photo of you. In the middle, ka. In the middle. Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 3. Wow, 1, 2. Very good. Okay. Explain. Go na, and explain.
This whole thing is the lake. This whole thing. And it's all frozen because it's super cold here.
Exactly.
These parts isn't that frozen yet, but it's still frozen.
Yeah, there are still parts that aren't frozen.
This is still frozen. These. Although it's not covered fully with these white ice. It's still frozen.
This is so beautiful. Grabe. Out of this world ba? Marami. Ang laki. Hi you guys. Picture taking sila.
White.
Go na go. Which one na?
This one.
I know. It's talking about this tree. Okay. We thought it's a chill day. Hari na naman kami liwat. Hagal na naman. Kami na naman yung step. Nami na rin Kazakhstan yung trip kay aside from ka-enjoy ka, workout ka, mandatory workout ka din eh. Cardio. Gani ko, ando ba lang mali. So much walking. Hiking. Oh. Parang hambal na. Hamba ko namin na rin Kazakhstan yung trip kay aside sa may enjoy ka sa view, sa snow, kagtanan, include mo naman ang cardio. Okay, madam walk. Gani. Which is good. Keeps you warm. Yeah. Matay lang kami tapos niwang na kami. Pag hindi magniwang, hindi lang kami. Show nyo na lang wala kasi tayo nag-walk. Oh. It's amazing. Here. Aiden! Where are you?
Amazing.
Wow.
So, Jimmy, imagine bilang kabalo ka mag-skating.
Wow. No, that's a coffee shop. That's the coffee shop upstairs. Malakat kami da. Another hike. Aiden, wait for mama, be. Dasig mo out. Yeah. Oh gosh, kanami gid ya. Huh?
Get tired so easily.
Aren't you tired?
No, not even close.
Really? I am so tired.
I'm starting to feel a bit hot.
Yeah, that's the coffee shop upstairs. We want to visit there. Medyo mahal na pala galing. Kung afforded eh. Nanaog. Nanaog na kami. Aiden! Let's go here, let's go up. What is in there? I told you.
You did not tell me we reached the end. I guess there's
Yeah, let's go. Ah, yeah, it's closed, Dai. My tape. You know what? Amo lang gid ni ang so far one of the best places nga nakagtuan ta, no?
Yeah.
I think so.
beware of natural disaster.
So far.
Mud flow.
Oh, it's so dreamy.
Di ba?
Kadami, oh.
Dumapapai ano na.
Such a huge tree, oh.
Yung, amo ni siyang isa sa mga moments bala na makakapa-thank you ka Lord gid ka for giving us this chance bala nga makakagto dire. Layo siya actually if you're coming from Philippines. We're blessed nga. I think we're coming from the Middle East, so 4 hours lang ang flight. Ilang hours from Philippines? Philippines, mga 14, 16. Because may layover pa sila eh. But this, I'm telling you, if every penny spent in this trip is so worth it. Every penny spent is really worth it.
But every money spent in that coffee shop, I'm not sure if it's gonna be worth it.
Pero,
Step.
fair to go up the coffee shop and then spend that, we are not sure.
It's a dog, Mom, behind you.
Oh yeah.
A doggy.
Guys,
Hello. Let's go up.
Yeah, let's try. Oh, they have. There's a number for the step.
Oh yeah, see? There's actually a number. How many steps you have to climb up? See guys?
Oh.
1. Okay, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah. Are we gonna go up? Ah, ito pala. Ano man? Hindi lang? Dan, slowly. Masaka kami. Ginasok ka. Ay. Kaya nun, taniday kaya rin, natadiday. Aiden, I'll take your photo da.
Reach 33 steps.
33. Hinahingal ako. Whew. Because, how did they go down there? Aiden, you said it's closed. How did they manage to go down there?
I don't know. It has like, what do you call this? This little line. It rolls it.
That's so mean.
Check that later. Check what they have here. This is my 40th.
Just don't tell me that it's closed, please.
Sit down now with mom. Or mom first.
The closest wins, okay?
Okay.
So I'm thinking about.
Wait. We are prepped. Okay, guys. So we have come up with
The game.
the game. Yeah. So right now we are climbing up the stairs.
There is numbers on it.
There's number. Explain.
Oh, you explain.
And so the game we're doing is we're gonna estimate how much stairs there are. So whoever estimates closest wins.
Okay.
And whoever loses
Pays the bill.
pays the bill. Oh, okay.
Let's win, baby! Let's
Okay.
eat up, let's win!
So
How? Okay, yes.
my guess would be 100 and
Quickly, now stop checking.
124.
Okay, you?
Mine would be 125.
125.
Yours?
Mine would be 150.
150.
Okay.
Let's do it.
I initially opted for 150, but I was like, oh, back to you later. Ito yung naging tradisyon na yung mga Aiden, blow.
Kasi normal na na.
Normal na.
Normal na for them, kagaulan.
Video.
Huh?
Video.
Ay. Cheers! Happy New Year, guys! Eden, come closer kay Mommy, be.
Ba?
Come, drink. Cheers! Like that. Okay. Cheers! Happy New Year!
Kiss mom.
Happy New Year, everyone! Oh my gosh! It's snowing! It's our first snowfall! Oh my gosh! Guys, we did not expect it's our first snowfall! Yay! Woo. It's cool. It's our first ever snow experience.
Yeah, it's our first snowfall.
Yes, snowfall gali. Good morning. Today we are going to deposit money mabayad kami sa amon Airbnb, and we will just try to explore whatever we can kasi sobra katugnaw subong. Say hi, guys. Aiden, look. Tita Bless is very very oh yeah. Grabe, this is our 29, 30, 31. Fourth day, no? This is our fourth day here. And it's subong ang pinakatugnaw. I think, yeah. Today it's, what's the temperature today?
I don't seem interested in that.
I saw this one, apple.
Yeah? You're like...
Do you know that this is the land of the apples? Yeah, this is the this is where the apple came from. Yeah. This is the mother of apples.
We just got our first eviction notice, so we're going to deposit. We're going to a deposit machine so we can keep staying in the apartment.
Yeah.
And not live on the streets. Yes, it's about 1 degree Celsius, and we don't want to sleep on the ground.
Yeah.
So,
No one understands English too.
yeah, barely anybody. There was only one guy who understands that we met.
Where?
Remember our tour guide?
He also doesn't.
But yeah, he knows a little though.
He knows a little. Right.
And there is where we're going, Mega Park.
Just tell them it's a New Year's Day. So
Yeah, yesterday was New Year. We didn't even notice it was already 2026. It's January 1st, 2026, which I think today is the great meme reset.
yeah.
This is our 5th day here, I think.
You're not looking at the camera. Put it on your face.
So this is our 5th day here, right? 4th only?
Yeah.
Oh, that is weird. I thought it was already our 5th. Yesterday was 4th. That's weird. I swear this is our 5th day, but okay. Anyways, we're going to the Mega Mart.
Mega Mart. We're gonna have lunch there.
Yeah. Let's see what they have today. We're going to the food court. Last time we had KFC in there. We had the 6 pieces of chicken, Coke, and 2 bags of fries. Gosh. We see Burger King right now. In their language is Comtem or something. So
Close your jacket.
this is okay. I'll pass on the camera to Mom. My hands are freezing.
Hello. Chill day naman today because we got tired for the last 2 days we've been hiking. Saka lang kami saka sa bukid. So
ikaw lang going strong.
So, subong. Kami nagbigta kami mga 11 na. Gutom na kami. Bayad lang kami. If you have chance, you can go to the chocolate factory. But other than that,
Okay, now guys, so we're now gonna go to the deposit machine. This one right here. Let's see inside. Okay, yeah, I can't see anything. I'll show you in the mall. Yeah. So this is inside the mall. Yeah, that's inside the mall. Yo, it's Santa. Santa's actually here. Dude. I'm gonna tell him that my mom never gave me the 1,700 Robux that she promised me. Yo, it's Starbucks. Starbucks, guys. We're gonna have lunch first because we're all hungry. We're going to the elevator.
Yeah. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Good job.
We're in food court now. Let's see. What?
Get that? Or you want to show them pa?
Yeah, I'll show them. Okay. Let's see what else we can eat in. There's Brico. What? I don't know what that says. Langhao? Or I don't know. There's Bahandi. Able. Anvil or Anvil, I don't know. Napica. Here. Yeah, we've just ordered. So we have just ordered. Now we're waiting for our food. Yeah. Like and subscribe, or I will be in the bed tonight.
Our order came. Meron kami shrimp tacos, cheese ramen, wings, fries, tteokbokki, kag maki.
Okay, guys. So we have just finished our lunch. Now we are going to have. I meant not have. We're going to the chocolate factory. Yeah, the best chocolates in town, and we're gonna buy them. After that, we're gonna get ref magnets to put on our fridge back at home, so we can. It reminds us when about when we went to. So yeah, let's see you there.
We are at Rakat Chocolate Factory. Oh.
Camera, yeah. Okay, guys, so we were going to the chocolate factory, but it was closed until tomorrow. I don't like this. But we're just gonna go to the green bazaar to get our ref magnets.
Yeah, I guess this is the one.
Yeah. But this is so neat of them. Okay. A bird. It's so foggy. Man. Yoo-hoo. Squawk. Mom, this stop. Oh. Squawk.
For sure, yeah, one good back.
Oh God, nothing is.
No bra.
Nothing's open.
we are going back. Mabalik na kami. Ikot kami sa lot or lotte sa chocolate factory pero closed. Tapos ang opposite lang sila ang green market. Ang green bazaar nila sarado man. Actually dapat ano lang ang problem lang is hindi updated ang ilang timing information. Pag check naman kagina open sila until 8 o'clock. Pag abot namon sarado tomorrow sila ma-open. And the problem is grabe katong daw subong. My God.
It's foggy.
It's so foggy. Ambot ko makita niyo. Kung makita niyo sa camera. Oh, grabe yung fog. O, mas snow na naman.
Oh. Yeah, yes, sir.
See?
Yes, sir.
Ano pa lang ni oras? Oras mo dahil? Ha? 763 FLO2. Aiden. Hold yan.
Ara na siya daw?
I-check ko na. Balik na lang kayo sa hotel kasi hindi kaya namon. Hindi kaya sa amon power. Sasao na dahil?
Oo.
Mapuli na lang kami. Feeling ko kung ano man gini ang weather nga ma-experience mo everyday, makaka-depressing, no?
Oo.
Kung makita mo muna, oh.
Siguro kayo may tananan.
Amo gani. Ito ka namin na siya ma-experience once in a while. Ito ka exciting to sa pansulog. Hello niyo, ka-cute. Gusto ko tayo makalakat lang ta. Picture. Maga muna, di wala may galakat mayo ya.
Oh.
Eurasian Bank. Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
So, there's ng vintage.
Pwede man. Ikaw lang obdanta lang ka.
Ay, wow. Obdan na lang ka para sa gaon na tulog.
Yeah, but now I'm not in the position na. So I will just go with you. That's why I'm going. Basta feeling ko barato. Ha?
Tomorrow na lang ikito sa
Kapal noot? Di ba lang sa gloves ko ni pala ho?
Ah, okay. Ni Chris, man dapat nagsuksok na skip man na ano. Oh.
Right?
What?
Hi Aiden. What can you say about the weather today?
What I can say about the weather today is it's not that cold.
Yeah, it's hot, right?
Very hot.
Look here, baby.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yay! So, nagpuli na kami. Ay, pag ulang kami abot sa balay. May na nagpuli kami. Kay grabe ang ano, oh. Freezing gid ya, oh. None. It's only 4:30. Tugnaw gid ya today. Kanami ni sa amon Airbnb lang ang mall tubangan namon. Residential siya, may playground. And it's very accessible to everything. It has a kitchen. Meron siya dining. Sensyahan nyo lang kay kagamo. That's yours.
So, di ba may flower man po ang design?